morning, good morning. Sitting on a little rock, waiting in the line here. From behind me and in front of me, there's about 9 trucks in line to unload soybeans. And get unloaded and see what's next.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing in the way.
All right, got empty, got washed out, heading to 3M. Gonna go to Dangerfield, Texas. I'm really happy about that, actually. It's starting to snow and ice in Oklahoma City.
Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder. We are more than numbers. Standing in their shade. Going louder. We are all one color. Standing in their way. Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Well, here we are loading in Glenwood, Arkansas. Load some headlamp. You can see that pretty good or not. But this place is a pretty good place to load. They'll usually load you within 100 pounds of your weight you need. And as you can see, it's raining cats and dogs. Anyway, so this load's going to go to Irving, Texas at Owens Corning. I will not have enough time to make it, so we're gonna hit the road, see how far we can make it. And that's it for now. Off we go.
Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade.
into another day. It has been raining all day. I hate driving in the rain all day. I'm sure you guys do too. It just wears me out. Short recap. Loaded in Little Rock, went to Dangerfield, Texas, unloaded some roofing granules there. I didn't get any video there. It was just raining so hard and wasn't worth pulling the camera out. And then from there I went to Glenwood, Arkansas, and loaded some headlap going to Owens Corning in Irving, Texas. I'll be unloading that in the morning, taking off in the morning. Hopefully the weather will let up and it'll be a little more of a non-exhausting day driving in the rain. But stopped in Sulphur Springs, Texas, and that's where I'm at for the night. I'm gonna go to bed. So that's it. If you guys like the videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're thinking about coming to Oakley, of course, give me a shout. Emails at the front and the back of this video. And we'll get some more stuff tomorrow, hopefully, and the sun will be out some. Anyway, you guys have a good night.